Hi, this is the 2150 carburetor that I got on eBay to replace the bad carburetor on this Ford. There's the old carburetor. It's dirty. It had some problems. Anyway, back to this guy. This is on a 1980 Ford with a 351 Windsor V8 engine. Total time it took to take the old carburetor off and put the new carburetor on was about 4 hours. And a lot of that was trying to get to that one nut of the four bolts, four nuts that hold it down to the engine. The one in the back corner is hard to get to, and it's hard to get it back on. There's a whole mess of vacuum lines. I ended up plugging a lot of those that I could get to. And also this one has a, let me see if I can zoom in on it. There's a plate down there with a couple little pipes that come up out of the manifold, intake manifold, and I plugged those also because they were just all corroded and rusted away. So that's it. Let me go in and start this so you can hear it for yourself.